I'd come on live tonight since I'm using my pressure cooker. And I don't know if you know it, but our pressure cooker is actually on special this month. So I just thought I'd come on live and to show you what I'm cooking for dinner using my pressure cooker. So the recipe is actually in our brochure, our current brochure. And this is a sweet potato and chicken soup. So that's what I'm gonna make tonight. And it calls for, let me see, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 sweet potatoes peeled and diced large, 2 carrots peeled and cut in chunks, 3 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of mild salsa verde, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 cup of spinach, and 2 tablespoons cilantro, optional. I'm not doing cilantro because I didn't have cilantro. So I'm starting to cut up my chicken. It's a little bit frozen still yet, and that's fine because it's actually gonna cook in the pressure cooker. I've done chicken in the pressure cooker that was actually completely frozen. So if I meal prep something and it's frozen, I can just dump it all into the pressure cooker and it'll be okay. It comes out just like it was fresh, wasn't frozen. So I am just cutting up my chicken. We buy our chicken from Costco, and comes in like a pack. Let me show you what it looks like. I think I showed you this before, but it comes like this. So it has like 6 or 8 of these attached to all together. That's what I use. And there's about 4. So in one packet tonight, there was 4 pieces of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So let me just finish cutting up my chicken. And I was just telling my husband, I go, oh my gosh, I said, pretty soon, and on March 8th, I said, we got to remember that we're in the mainland now. We have to set our clocks back and forth. So I think it was March 8th, we spring forward. So we'll be 3 hours ahead of you guys back at home. So I have to remember that when I'm calling my kids, my boys. So almost done. I thought I trimmed away a lot of it. I think I did. Try to trim away most of the fat. I don't like the fat on the chicken. Okay, so that was 4 pieces of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Wash my hands. 4 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm gonna just season it with salt and pepper. Season it with salt and pepper, then we're gonna put it into our pressure cooker. And I already pre-cut my vegetables, so I just didn't want to take up a lot of you guys' time with me cutting up everything. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is put it in our pressure cooker. So if you've never seen me use this before, this is our microwave pressure cooker. This is our locking latch. There's a gasket inside, and then there's also a pressure relief there, and this is our indicator. When it's under pressure, this will pop up, and you'll hear it hissing. And then this is the inside. As you can tell, I use mine a lot. There's actually a max line and a minimum line in here. I don't know if you probably can't see it, but you have to have liquid when you use a pressure cooker. It's like any other pressure cooker, you have to have some liquid in there to help it, I guess, when it builds up pressure. Okay, so I just salt and peppered my chicken. I'm gonna dump it into the base of my pressure cooker. And so that's it right there. And now we're gonna add in, so I did 2 large carrots and 3, these were, they were kind of small to medium sweet potatoes, but I think we didn't grab the orange ones. I don't know which one this is. We went to Seafood City and that's what they had. So I got 3 of those small to medium sweet potatoes and 2 large carrots, just diced. And they said to make them large, chunky, large. So we're just gonna put that in there. It looks really super big, but that's okay. And then now, let me see, we're gonna add the broth. So this asks for 3 cups of chicken broth. It says chicken bone broth. I have chicken broth. I didn't want to have to go and buy something special just so I can make this recipe. So 3 cups of broth, chicken broth. You know what, I should have just checked the ounces in this. I could have probably just used this whole thing in there. And I bet you that's what's going to happen. This is 3 cups. Almost 3 cups. Okay, so 3 cups of chicken broth. 3 cups of chicken broth and, oh, I need this. And 1 cup of mild salsa verde. So this is what I got. So we just need a cup of this. 1 cup, oops. Of course it's splashing all over. Okay. 1 cup of mild salsa verde, and we're gonna mix all this up to combine. Is it stir well to combine, and then that's it. How simple is that? And we're gonna stick this in the microwave. It says 15 minutes on high power. I think I'm gonna do 20 because my microwave is not as strong as the one I had back at home. So I think I'm gonna do 20 minutes on high power. So all we're gonna do now is put the lid on, and what this, they made it so easy. You see that little arrow there? So there's an arrow on here, and there's also an arrow on the base itself. Okay, so all we're gonna do now is pop this in the microwave on high for 20 minutes. Okay, I'm back. So it's been at least 25 minutes. As you can see, that little yellow indicator is down, so that means that we can open this up. But before we do, I want to rinse my spinach because they say put about 1/2 cup of spinach. And so what I'm going to do is I'm rinsing my spinach. Make sure there's nothing in there. If you don't have a salad spinner, you need to get one. They're so awesome. So Tupperware has one, but they don't have it in the catalog. You gotta catch it when they're on special. And they work awesome. So that, and I'm gonna spin this thing because I want to make sure that I have the butter off. There you go. And we're also gonna put in, so I didn't measure, I'm just gonna throw it in there. It says 1 tablespoon of lime juice. So I'm gonna squeeze my own limes with our zest and press. If you have never seen me use this before, oh my gosh. So easy. So let me open this up because I'm going to squeeze it right into here. Always open away from you because it is hot. And let me make sure that the potatoes are cooked. Oh my goodness. It is. It smells so good. Okay, so it calls for a tablespoon. Let me make sure. A tablespoon of lime juice. So Okay. That was about a tablespoon, I think. And we're going to add in our spinach. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, it smells so good. Once I mix this up, then I'll bring the camera over so you guys can see what it looks like. Add the rest of the spinach. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. So this is our sweet potato and chicken soup. How does that look? Oh my goodness. Our pressure cooker is currently on special till March 13th for $119. You'll get a free ladle when you make that purchase. Visit my website at carolmiyashiro.my.tupperware.com.